welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're still continuing on with this project and we're gonna get started with the top floor. We did forget or we run out of daylight to finish up the sides. We need to put the framing that's gonna surround the window and some reinforcements on the sides. So we're gonna get started with that before we rip it into the roof and go all in and actually connect it to the house properly. So yeah, let's get started, finish that up and then get started with the roof.
Fingers crossed it doesn't rain.
Yeah, let's hope no rain. Yes, you have to scream all
Yeah.
over the talk.
You have a lot to say today. Purple, do you like it? Purple, is that your new house, Purple? Is it your castle?
Pretty much did these roofs for people for a bottle of vodka and that's it. So we have done ripping some of it, but we haven't ripped all the way to the top because currently we are at the height of the ceiling. So we kind of want to make that framing first and then go higher, just because we need to see exactly where the roof is going to end. So it will be roughly, those two tiles will be our height of our roof. So it does add up pretty accurately. That's what I measured. So now we just have to figure out the difficult part, because we have the actual rafters are in the middle and we don't have rafter directly against our framing. So we could come in and go up these rafters, but I think that's gonna look a bit silly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add just another rafter here and another rafter there, and hopefully that's gonna give us enough strength in a sense where we can have the framing going up there, and also to hide half of this tile pretty much, because the next rafter is somewhere here. So it's only like 50 centimeters. It's gonna be kind of on our rafter, and the rest is gonna be on the old rafter. So it should be all good. But yeah, this is the difficult part that we have got to, and yeah, if we solve this, then it's kind of easy sailing from there.
Well, not really easy. Going 6 meters high up to put a roof
So, yeah,
on.
the roof is 6 meters at the tippy top, but it should be okay. We should be fine. I guess from underneath we could push it up. I think they did not put enough concrete. That's the problem, no?
I think that was not enough, yeah.
So we have gotten this far. It looks like we haven't gotten much progress in a full day. It's really been kind of slow, but this is the hardest part, is how do we connect it in the house. And also right next to there is a beam that actually is kind of rotten out because they had this hook, as you saw, we removed. That kind of caused the water to get in there for probably very many years, and pretty much is this much left of the beam. It's still enough to hold the pressure, but adding the support that we added actually takes off the pressure from that. Luckily nothing was even collapsed in, it's not even visually in, it's not even cracked, nothing, so it's still holding up the pressure. The beam in theory, as you can see, they're more than big enough to hold up the weight of this wood, the roof, so it should be okay. The new roof we're putting on is a lot heavier, it's thicker roof, so it will be a bit heavier, but I think still will be perfectly fine. And now we're gonna leave it for the day. We actually not gonna go further up. We actually gonna fix the sides for now, just so those are covered in roof in case it rains, because tomorrow morning early it says rain, and we really hope it doesn't rain, but it might. So we gotta prepare for the worst, and we have to put some sort of plastic sheet here to cover it up. And also I'm not gonna remove these ones here because we're using it as a ladder. They do have nails, but the nails are so rotten they just bend instantly as soon as you step on it. They're just beyond rotten out. The bigger nails maybe we need to get rid of, but the smaller ones I don't see as a problem. The shoes are all with the hard bottom, so I can't really get it through. And so we're gonna still continue tomorrow to go higher, and hopefully tomorrow have the rafters and the roof. But yeah, let's put all the tiles, and that's gonna be it for the day. So we have covered it all up. As you can see, it's quite of a mess, but it will keep some water out. We're not expecting it to be 100% waterproof, but it also does say 40 to 50% rain only, so hopefully that will do the trick. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna get on and actually connect and build the roof, so we will need to go get more wood. I can already tell that that's not gonna be enough. We are not even near to do even half of the roof, and we have not done any supports on this story either, and we haven't done any supports here, so we're missing a lot. And yeah, that pile's not gonna last, so we'll have to run quickly to get more wood. So yeah, this is a big project, but it's gonna be really cool at the end, so we have to really do it properly. So yeah, we're sorry if the videos are pretty short or also not progressing much, but we're also trying to post well, first of all daily, and also just whatever we do in a day is to get posted. And yeah, so also it doesn't make extremely long videos, hard to edit, and takes long to upload, so they quickly go out and we can move on to the next one. So yeah, hope you enjoy. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
And hopefully when we're done, we're gonna do like a finishing, like
yeah,
we always say. Okay.
Finishing video, like a whole video?
Like a whole everything.
Yeah, maybe in winter.